You just started your online store. You need an email marketing tool. You Google it. Everyone says Mailchimp. It's free. You sign up. 6 months later, your store is making $8,000 a month, and your abandoned cart emails are recovering maybe 4% of lost sales. Meanwhile, your competitor is recovering 11%. The difference? They're not using Mailchimp. In the next 10 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly why Mailchimp is costing small online store owners thousands of dollars every year, and what to use instead based on your exact revenue stage. Before we get into it, I run Digital S Productivity, where I test and compare email marketing tools for e-commerce stores. I've spent over 60 hours testing both Mailchimp and Klaviyo across real stores at different revenue stages. This video is not sponsored by either platform. I'm going to tell you the truth, including who should not use Klaviyo, which most reviewers won't tell you because Klaviyo pays higher affiliate commissions. Let's start with the most important thing nobody talks about. Here's the fundamental problem with comparing Mailchimp and Klaviyo. They're built for completely different purposes. Mailchimp was built in 2001 as a newsletter tool. It was designed to help small businesses send pretty emails to their mailing list. That's it. Klaviyo was built in 2012 specifically for e-commerce. Every single feature was designed around one goal: recovering more revenue from your existing customers. Comparing them for an online store is like comparing a bicycle to a motorcycle. Both have two wheels, both get you somewhere, but if you need to travel 100 miles, the bicycle will fail you. Let's start with pricing, because this is where Mailchimp tricks you. On the surface, Mailchimp looks dramatically cheaper. Free plan for up to 500 contacts, essentials at $13 a month. Looks great, right? But here's what they don't tell you up front. Mailchimp charges you for unsubscribed contacts. That means people who have already opted out of your emails, they still count toward your contact limit. You're paying for a dead audience. Klaviyo only charges for active profiles. Now let's look at real numbers side by side. Did you catch that? At 2,500 contacts, Mailchimp jumps to $350 a month. That's their premium plan, which is the only plan that gives you the e-commerce features you actually need. Meanwhile, Klaviyo at 2,500 contacts is just $60 a month. The cheap tool just became the expensive tool, and you didn't even get better features. Now, if you're running your store on Shopify, stop. This part is critical. In 2019, Mailchimp and Shopify had a very public falling out. Mailchimp removed their official Shopify app. It's 2026. It still hasn't come back. If you want to use Mailchimp with Shopify today, you need a third-party connector app. That means extra cost, delayed data sync, and a broken integration that was never designed to work together. Klaviyo, one-click install, real-time data sync, every customer action tracked immediately. Browse behavior, cart additions, checkout abandonment, all of it flows into Klaviyo automatically. If your store is on Shopify and you're using Mailchimp, you're building your email marketing on a broken foundation. Now let's talk about the feature that makes or breaks email marketing for online stores: abandoned cart recovery. Industry average, 70% of shoppers who add items to their cart leave without buying. 70%! Email is the single best way to recover those sales, but only if your platform can actually do it properly. Here's how both platforms handle it. I've written a full comparison article with complete pricing tables at every contact tier, feature breakdowns, and the exact migration steps if you're switching from Mailchimp to Klaviyo. Link is in the description below. And drop a comment below. What email platform is your store currently using, and what's your monthly revenue? I'll give you a personalized recommendation. Thank you.